Imagine sitting comfortably in your living room when suddenly a glowing sphere of light appears out of nowhere, hovering in your space, defying all logic. Let's take a trip back in time to a chilly evening in St. Petersburg, Russia, in 1984. Passengers aboard a railway carriage are immersed in their own worlds, when, without warning, a strange apparition makes its grand entrance. A glowing orb of light, not much bigger than a grapefruit, appears seemingly out of thin air. It parades around the carriage, causing a stir of bewilderment among the onlookers. The orb, as if having a mind of its own, continues its eerie dance, leaving a trail of fear and amazement in its wake. It then takes a sinister turn, moving towards a metal conductor and vanishing into it. The aftermath is chilling. 2 passengers, life snuffed out in an instant, others injured, and the rest left in a state of shock. This was not a science fiction story. This was a real-life encounter with one of nature's most baffling phenomena, ball lightning. This enigmatic spectacle has been reported around the globe, appearing in homes, on airplanes, even in submarines, leaving a trail of destruction and a multitude of unanswered questions. Ball lightning doesn't follow the rules. It can appear in clear skies or stormy weather, indoors or outdoors, in the middle of a city or in the heart of the countryside. It can be as small as a pea or as large as a car. It can be silent or accompanied by a hissing sound. It can hover, bounce, or even pass through solid objects. It can last for a few seconds or linger for minutes. And when it decides to disappear, it can do so with a silent fade or a deafening explosion. For centuries, these glowing orbs have danced around our world, leaving scientists scratching their heads and ordinary folks spooked. Despite countless eyewitness accounts, they remain elusive to scientific understanding, a captivating mystery that continues to baffle and bewitch. This chilling incident is just one example of the mysterious phenomenon we call ball lightning. Ball lightning has puzzled observers for centuries, with the earliest recorded sightings dating back to ancient Greece. This curious phenomenon was no stranger to the great minds of antiquity. Ancient Greek philosophers like Thales of Miletus noted strange luminous spheres dancing across the sky, sparking wonder and fear. Their explanations, often steeped in mysticism and lore, proposed that these glowing orbs were manifestations of divine forces or celestial omens. As time marched on, the Middle Ages brought more tales of these perplexing apparitions. Back then, they were often seen as supernatural portents, omens of impending disaster, or even the work of mischievous demons. Anecdotes spread of glowing orbs floating through homes and churches, causing panic and leaving destruction in their wake. One such tale comes from the great thunderstorm of Widecombe in the Moor in 1638. Amidst the raging storm, the local church was struck by an immense bolt of lightning. Eyewitnesses reported a large, glowing ball of light that bounced around the church, causing extensive damage and, tragically, claiming several lives. The villagers, no doubt terrified, believed they had witnessed the wrath of God. But it wasn't just Europe that bore witness to these strange spectacles. From the far reaches of Asia to the vast plains of North America, accounts of ball lightning have been woven into the tapestry of human history. Chinese texts from the late Ming Dynasty describe fireballs appearing amidst thunderstorms. Native American folklore speaks of ghost lights, mysterious orbs that would dance across the night sky. These historical sightings, often wrapped in superstition and fear, offer a fascinating glimpse into our attempts to explain the unexplainable. They also serve as a testament to the enduring mystery of ball lightning, a mystery that has persisted for centuries, captivating the minds of philosophers, frightening villagers, and sparking curiosity across cultures. Across centuries and continents, these tales of inexplicable glowing orbs have sparked both awe and fear. And as we delve deeper into the annals of history, the enigma of ball lightning continues to fascinate and confound us. By the 19th century, the scientific community began to take a serious interest in these fiery spheres. The enigma of ball lightning had finally caught the attention of the world's greatest minds, and they were eager to unravel its mysteries. One of the earliest theories proposed was the plasma theory. Scientists hypothesized that ball lightning was a form of plasma, a state of matter similar to gas, but with an equal number of positive and negative charges. This theory was based on the observation that ball lightning often appears during thunderstorms, a time when the conditions are ripe for the creation of plasma. However, this theory was not without its critics. Some scientists pointed out that plasma is typically unstable at atmospheric pressure, making it unlikely to form the long-lasting, coherent structures often reported in sightings of ball lightning. In response to the plasma theory's shortcomings, another theory emerged. This one suggested that ball lightning was an electrically charged object, perhaps a metal or a rock, that had been superheated by a lightning strike. The object, now glowing with intense heat, would then be carried aloft by the updrafts common in thunderstorms. Yet this theory too had its detractors. Critics noted that such objects would likely cool and fall to the ground far more quickly than the enduring mobile balls of light reported by eyewitnesses. As the scientific community grappled with these competing theories, the mystery of ball lightning only seemed to deepen. Each theory had its merits and its flaws, and none seemed capable of fully explaining the phenomenon. The fiery spheres danced across stormy skies, taunting the scientists who sought to understand them. Despite the various theories, the elusive nature of ball lightning made it a tough nut to crack for scientists. But as we'll see in the next scene, the 20th century brought new tools and techniques to bear on the problem, ushering in a new era of research into this most puzzling of phenomena. The 20th century saw a surge in scientific research on ball lightning, fueled by an increase in reported sightings and advancements in technology. As the scientific community plunged into the mystery, a few theories surfaced that attempted to explain this perplexing phenomenon. One such theory is the vaporized silicon hypothesis. This idea suggests that when lightning strikes the Earth, it vaporizes the silica in the soil, creating a cloud of extremely hot particles. As these particles cool, they condense into a floating glowing orb that we perceive as ball lightning. It's a compelling theory, but it doesn't account for all sightings of ball lightning, especially those that occur far from the ground. Another intriguing theory is the microwave cavity explanation. This theory posits that the energy from a lightning strike can create a self-contained floating microwave cavity. Inside this cavity, air molecules become excited and emit light, creating the glowing sphere we call ball lightning. This theory is fascinating, but it's also been difficult to prove definitively. In the quest to unravel the mystery of ball lightning, scientists have attempted to recreate the phenomenon in laboratory settings. From using powerful electrical discharges to blast tiny particles of silicon to creating microwave cavities with high-powered antennas, these experiments have produced some intriguing results. Some have even managed to create small, short-lived orbs of light that bear a striking resemblance to ball lightning. Yet despite these efforts, no experiment has been able to fully replicate the complexity and longevity of natural ball lightning. The orbs created in labs flicker out in a fraction of the time that real ball lightning is reported to last, and they often lack the erratic movement associated with natural sightings. And so, even with a century of theories, experiments, and technological advancements, the enigma of ball lightning persists. Each new theory brings us a step closer to understanding, but the ultimate answer remains tantalizingly out of reach. Yet even with all these theories and experiments, ball lightning remained a baffling enigma. In the 21st century, the quest to understand ball lightning continues, with researchers employing advanced technologies and innovative approaches. The phenomenon, as elusive as it is fascinating, has been the subject of numerous studies and experiments. Yet, despite the progress we've made, much about ball lightning remains a mystery. A significant leap forward came in 2014, when a team of Chinese scientists managed to capture the first spectrographic analysis of ball lightning. This was no small feat. Picture this: a luminous spherical object floating in the air, lasting only for a few seconds before vanishing without a trace. Now imagine trying to analyze its properties in that tiny window of time. Quite a challenge, isn't it? Yet the team did it. They captured the spectral data of a ball lightning during a thunderstorm in Qinghai, and what they found was enlightening. The spectral analysis revealed several elements including silicon, iron, and calcium, elements commonly found in soil. This supported a long-standing theory that ball lightning could be a result of soil vaporized by a lightning strike. Around the same time, another approach to understanding ball lightning was taking shape. Some researchers turned to quantum mechanics, a field of physics that deals with phenomena on a very small scale. They suggested that ball lightning could be an example of a Shankar-Skyarmian, a complex knot of electromagnetic fields. If correct, this would mean that ball lightning is not just a strange weather phenomenon, but also a demonstration of quantum effects on a macroscopic scale. These findings, both the spectrographic analysis and the quantum mechanics theory, have added new dimensions to our understanding of ball lightning. They have sparked further research and fueled the curiosity of scientists worldwide. Yet as enlightening as they are, they represent pieces of a puzzle that is far from complete. These recent developments have opened up new avenues of investigation, but the mystery of ball lightning persists. As we continue to explore this atmospheric anomaly, one can't help but marvel at the enigma that is ball lightning, a reminder of the many mysteries that our universe still holds. Despite centuries of sightings and decades of research, ball lightning remains one of nature's most captivating puzzles. This enigmatic phenomenon, a luminous sphere that appears during thunderstorms, continues to baffle scientists even in the 24th century. In the quest to unravel this mystery, researchers across the globe are engaged in tireless investigation. Some are trying to replicate ball lightning in laboratory settings. Yet despite their best efforts, these artificially created orbs of light are but a pale imitation of the real spectacle. They lack the longevity and the erratic behavior that characterize natural ball lightning. This disparity underscores one of the main challenges in studying ball lightning: the lack of reliable data. Ball lightning is a fleeting and unpredictable event. It appears without warning, often in the midst of violent storms, and vanishes just as quickly. This makes systematic observation and measurement a daunting task. Moreover, the rarity of the phenomenon adds another layer of complexity. The odds of witnessing ball lightning are astronomically low, and even lower are the chances of capturing it on film. This scarcity of empirical evidence has hindered scientific progress, causing researchers to rely largely on eyewitness accounts, which can be subjective and often inconsistent. Yet, despite these obstacles, the scientific community remains undeterred. The intrigue of ball lightning fuels their determination. They believe that every new observation, every piece of data, brings us closer to the truth. Scientists are developing new technologies and methodologies in the hope of capturing this elusive phenomenon in more detail. There is also a growing recognition of the need for more collaborative research. By pooling resources and knowledge, scientists hope to accelerate the pace of discovery. They encourage the public to report any sightings and share any footage they may have. After all, the next breakthrough could come from anywhere. As we continue to delve into the mystery of ball lightning, one thing is certain: this fascinating phenomenon continues to elude our complete understanding. But with each passing day, we edge closer to deciphering this age-old riddle, and perhaps one day, the secrets of ball lightning will be revealed. In the realm of natural phenomena, ball lightning stands out as a perplexing oddity. This statement has held true throughout our exploration. We've journeyed through historical sightings where the phenomenon startled and intrigued observers across the centuries. We've examined the intense scrutiny of scientists, the brave souls who dared to dissect this enigma under the microscope of rational thought. The theories of the 20th century, with their blend of science and speculation, haven't fully unraveled the mystery. The recent developments have brought us closer to understanding this phenomenon, yet the puzzle continues to elude complete comprehension. The mystery, as we've seen, endures, captivating us with its elusive allure. Our exploration of ball lightning has taken us through a myriad of theories and observations, yet the core of the enigma remains. As we gaze into the fiery orbs of ball lightning, we are reminded that there are still mysteries in this universe that remain largely unresolved.